2018 Chevrolet Trax Review. The 2018 Chevrolet Trax's mundane cabin and ho-hum performance put it in the bottom third of our own subcompact SUVs. Most of its competitors are better in or both these areas. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Good maneuverability. Supportive seats. Weak engine. Low-rent interior. Limited small-item storage. The 2018 Chevrolet Trax won't wow you using its athleticism. The 138 horsepower engine feels underpowered. Also, it doesn't counterbalance the lack of power with terrific fuel economy the best way some other vehicles do. The Trax's fuel economy is average. The Trax delivers composed handling, along with the ride is comparatively smooth. A vent off it gets rougher with larger wheels. One plus is the Chevy is extremely maneuverable. The Trax incorporates a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine that generates 138 horsepower. It's mated to your 6-speed automatic transmission. This isn't an enthusiastic powertrain. Acceleration is lackluster, particularly if you have more when compared to a couple people inside the vehicle. The engine also performs worse in all-wheel drive models as a result of the AWD system's added weight. However, performance is usually fine for driving out and about. The Trax gets an estimated 25 miles per gallon within the city and 33 miles per gallon while traveling, that are comparable to the ratings of numerous competitors. AWD Trax models get moderately worse fuel usage, earning 2,430 miles per gallon city highway. Front-wheel drive comes standard from the Trax, and all-wheel drive can be obtained. This little SUV is tremendously maneuverable and contains a great turning radius. It also handles well. The steering is sharp where there isn't much body roll around corners. The ride is quite comfortable on trims which feature smaller wheels, but choosing larger wheels leads with a rougher ride. The 2018 Chevrolet Trax has some soft-touch materials in the cabin, but loads of hard plastics causes it to be look low-rent. The seats are supportive. Along with the front seats there are ample head and legroom. Cargo space is above average for just a subcompact SUV, but small-item storage is fixed. The Trax has some nice tech features, and also the MyLink infotainment method is fairly easy to work with. This Chevy seats 5 and comes standard with cloth upholstery. Available seating features include premium cloth upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, a leather-wrapped tire, heated front seats, and leatherette upholstery. The Trax's front seats have many head and legroom, and both rows of seats are supportive. The rear seats don't use a ton of headroom, but there's enough space for 2 adults once they aren't especially tall. There are 2 full groups of latch connectors for installing child car seats. The latch system is pretty easy to make use of, although the lower anchors are set deep from the seat, and also the tether anchors may very well be confused with other hardware. Standard features incorporate a rear-view camera as well as a Wi-Fi place. The Trax's infotainment system includes a 6-speaker head unit, a 7-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Available features include satellite radio, cruise control, remote start, a 7-speaker Bose premium head unit, a proximity key, push-button start, a 110-volt power outlet, heated side-view mirrors, and also a sunroof. Available advanced security features include blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, rear cross-traffic alert, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning.